Today, we're going to thicken orange juice to mildly thick level 2, formerly referred to as Nectar Thick. You'll need 4 ounces of pulp-free orange juice, 1 individual packet of mildly thick level 2 SimplyThick, and a mixing container and utensil. After measuring your juice to 4 ounces, add 1 individual packet of mildly thick level 2 SimplyThick to the beverage. Using your mixing utensil, stir for 30 seconds. Natural variations in juices may require additional mixing. We always recommend confirming the correct thickness has been reached by using the ITSE flow test. And voila! Your juice is thickened and ready to drink.